Oh, certainly. We have a very expansive gym that's overlooking the main pool. I did not
Okay.
mention earlier, but we do have 7 pools on this ship and 13 whirlpools. So it's well equipped for everybody that loves the water. But as far as the gym goes, up there on deck 20, overlooking the main pool area, we have our gym that's all equipped with Technogym equipment. And as you can see, there's beautiful views over the ocean. There's Technogym free weights as well as machines and a lot of cardio equipment, including spin classes that we have that also give you beautiful ocean views.
I'm telling you, I don't think there's a better place on earth to do a spin class than right in that place right there.